Hello friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. In this tutorial, we will discuss about the visualizing data in SAP Lumira. So, we will see how we can create the different type of charts in SAP Lumira and how we can apply the filters to that visualization which is created in SAP Lumira. So, let's go to the tool directly. So, this is my SAP Lumira tool. I will quickly create one data set with the Excel as a data source. I will go here next and I will select the Excel file which is my data source. I will click on create. So if I go to the prepare tab here, I will be able to see the data which is available into my data set. If I go to the visualize room here, so we have the option of creating the multiple charts in the visualize room. So we can see the dimensions and we can see the measures which are coming from the data set into my left hand side area. And these are the charts which can be created in SAP Lumira with the help of visualization room. And if I want that what is the related visualizations, it will automatically, if I go to the related visualizations, it will show me what are the possible visualizations which can be created based on this data set. Like I can see here that it is showing the employee ID by name, it is showing the salary by name, similarly it is showing the salary by country. So these are the automatically suggested visualizations by SAP Lumira tool based upon your data set. Now, if I go back here and if I want to create my own visualization. So what I will do here is I will select the chart type. Let's say if I want to show the bar chart. I will go to the bar chart and here on the measures and the dimensions axis I have to select the data. So if I go here, so I have the salary and I want to see the salary as per the country. If I want to change the dimension, I can change it by name, employee ID and all the different dimensions which are available to us. Let's say if I want to add the employee ID with the country. So I can see here that we have these many employees working in these many countries and this is the salary of those employees. So this is how you can create the different charts in the visualization room of SAP Lumira. If you want to apply a filter on them, so you can simply click on this add filter and you can add the filter on whatever dimension or the measure value you want to select. Let's say if I want to see only the employees of India, I can click on and I can click apply. Now in this chart I can only see the employees and their salaries from country India. If I want to remove the filter, I can simply click on this cross sign and it will remove the filter from my chart. Similarly, you can create the n number of charts out of it. Let's say if you want to convert it to the line chart, you can simply select the line chart and it will automatically plot data as per the line chart. This way you can create n number of charts in SAP Lumira in the visualization room, and after that you can use those visualizations further in your stories. So in this tutorial we have discussed about the visualization room, how we can create the different types of charts, how we can apply the filters to the visualization tab in the SAP Lumira. Thank you.